Hey everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. I just received a new toy and I realized that I haven't uploaded anything in a while, so let's do a quick unboxing here. So what happened this time is that the backup camera on my car stopped working, and it's way too expensive to fix. And even if I buy it and I fix it, it might not be that, it might be something else, and then something else, and then something else, and then not a lot of people want to work on it. So I got something that I can change myself at any time. It's a backup camera that you do a first charge of about 4 hours, and then you mount it yourself on your license plate, and it will charge itself from solar. This is the camera Foxpark. It came like this on the box, so you slide this one out, and then here is the box. I haven't opened the box yet. Let's see. It's hard to do it with one hand only. Let me see if I can. Here. Maybe like this. Okay, here we go. So you have this, you can scan it and whatnot. Scan for installation and usage video. Get support service at Foxpark Club, foxpark.club. Solar power wireless backup camera kit. You get the little monitor. So yeah, let's see, you get the little monitor, this one, and then this should be the camera. It's a little bar like this that you mount it on top of your license plate. Yeah, I'm still coughing. So this is the little monitor. This is the plug that it has, that you put it in your car somehow. This should be the camera. Here it is. Okay, so this is a solar cell, and that is the camera itself. Let's do the peel. Hey. You have some buttons on it. On this side is the USB plug. It's a micro USB. Could have been USB-C, but okay, I'll take it. And this little box here should be all the other accessories. Yeah, this one, the red one, I think it's a double-sided sticker. I don't know, I'll check it when I have to mount it. Let's see the accessory box. Okay, so you have a suction cup that you can mount the monitor onto. You have the little charging cable. You have some teeny weeny tiny little screws here with an Allen wrench. And here we go. So this is the plug that goes to the monitor, and you have to stick this into a USB outlet, and as I see here, you will have sorry, into a 12-volt outlet, and you have a USB connector. I don't know what this is. I'll probably find out in the booklet. And you have this button here. I imagine it's for activating the camera. You press on it and then the monitor lights up and it tells the camera, okay, give me the signal, and the camera will give it the signal. So that's what you get in the box of the Foxpark DIY backup camera that you can buy on Amazon. You can look it up yourself. Maybe I'll put a link in the description. I'm not affiliated or anything. I bought this myself. Okay, I will start by unscrewing these two screws. Take off the plate. Then I'm gonna put this like that behind the camera, and the camera goes like this on top of the plate, and then we screw it back. Let's get to it. Okay, the two screws are out, this one here and this one there. Okay, the two-sided thing that sticks, the two-sided sticker, comes in handy after all, because it's not easy to get this to stay there and then put the plate on top of it and then screw it in and make sure that nothing moves. So this is not meant to do a permanent fix, but it will temporarily hold the camera while I screw everything in. So there's that. Okay, so I put the two screws back, but it did not give me enough place for that little thing that goes around my license plate, so I'm gonna leave it like that. So the two screws are in there. Okay, this is the old camera that doesn't work anymore. This is the new one. Now let's go and take the monitor, plug it in, and see what happens. Okay, when you're plugging in the power, make sure that you have the little groove facing that little arrow right there. Okay, you will see also on the inside that this groove goes with that crest. Okay, this way you can get it right. Don't force it, because those pins are really small and you will really easily bend them, so take care on that. And here we are. Here you can see the camera. I got some guiding lights on there. Okay, this is what happens when I put my car in reverse with my original camera. I got the blue screen, but now I have this thing. Okay, the sun is setting, is shining brightly into the camera. I can't tell you, with the phone it doesn't look that good, but when I look at it directly, it's really crisp, it's really good. I can see what's going on behind me. It's a pretty good view. So overall, I'm happy with this thing. Okay, here on the side you have the up and down and menu buttons, so you can navigate and set the camera up the way you want it to. Okay, you can launch the camera from this button here. You see how it clicks, and then it turns on the screen. I don't know where I'm gonna put it just yet. Probably it's gonna be here, or I don't know, I'll see where I'm gonna put it, but for now I'm happy I have a backup camera. So that's it, that's all. Remember to like, share and subscribe to keep the internet alive, and come see me on the next one. Thanks, and bye bye.